Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add music in Facebook post. Let's get started. First open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Then, click on the What's Your Mind button. Now, click on Photo or Video button. Then add photo or video if you want to. You will not find option in the bottom menu. To add music, click on the photo. You will see a lot of options. You can also add a lot of things like effects, adjust lighting, tag people, crop the photo, add stickers, add titles and draw something on the photo. But now I will show you how to add music. To add music, click on top music icon. Search the music or select it from the list. There is another way of adding it. Click on the sticker button and click on music sticker. Now search the music or select from the list. After adding music, click on the bottom right next button. Then add the title of the video. After adding, click on the post button at the top right. As you can see, that post is uploading. And that's how you add music in Facebook post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.